Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, black color, blue color, yellow color, green color, and yellow ochre color. So kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use black color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use blue color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.